Of the many things people are investing in currently, Bitcoin seems to be gaining a lot of popularity on that list. So much that many who aren't even aware of crypto are starting to take Bitcoin pretty seriously. Same time last year, the Bitcoin upswell had just about started and one Bitcoin was still worth less than $15,000 or just over 11 lakh rupees. That's a pretty good amount, but 1 year down the line, it crossed 4 times that to over $60,000, and in India, you'll have to pay over 45 lakh for a single Bitcoin. Seeing this growth, other cryptos have also started picking up. For one, the Ethereum blockchain became a lot more prominent after non-fungible tokens that are NFTs mainstream appeal gained popularity, and as smart contracts enabled by it were a key part of making NFTs work. Ether, the native token of the Ethereum mainnet with the symbol ETH, also recently hit its all-time high soon after Bitcoin. क्रिप्टो की ओवरऑल अडॉप्शन रेट भी इतनी ज्यादा हो गई है कि लोग अब क्रिप्टो से मूवी टिकट्स और मर्चेंडाइज खरीद रहे हैं, और यही नहीं बल्कि पूरा एक देश जैसे कि एल साल्वाडोर is getting into blockchain technology. Crypto is everywhere, and that's the reason that today I wanted to take you through 2 most important trends in cryptocurrency, that are whales and dogs. And no, it's not the Animal Planet edition of Crypto Unfiltered. Let's get going. This segment is all about making crypto easier for you to understand. So let's start with whales. A whale is just someone that holds a large chunk of cryptocurrency. There is no formal definition, no easy check mark to say if you hold more than 100 tokens, you're a whale. No, the word just means a majority asset holder. And in case of crypto, the whale can have a lot more impact on the price of the tokens they hold. Why is that? Because unlike the stock market that will react to things like business performance and quarterly results, the crypto market is much more volatile and reacts to sentiment. That's why tweets by Elon Musk made Dogecoin a force to be reckoned with in the last 1 year. लेकिन इसका ये मतलब भी है कि whale accounts जो कि एक large number of tokens को कंट्रोल करते हैं, उस क्रिप्टो की वैल्यू पर असर डाल सकते हैं उसको बाय और सेल करके। यही नहीं, एक recent study में देखा गया है कि हाल ही में शिबा इनू कॉइन की जो वैल्यू में बढ़ोतरी आई थी, उसका कारण कुछ whale accounts थे जो पूरे शिबा इनू टोकन के 30% सर्कुलेशन वैल्यू को कंट्रोल करते हैं। This is what brings me to the other topic I wanted to discuss. Those are dogs. The internet loves cats. It's a well-known fact, but it looks like cryptocurrency investors love dogs. Ever since the launch of Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu dog has become the unofficial animal mascot for cryptocurrency, and when Elon Musk started boosting the cryptocurrency on Twitter, it started off a major trend. Today, there are a dozen of dog-themed coins. Some popular ones are, of course, Doge and SHIB, but aside from these, we have Samayad coins, the Floki Inu coin, Baby Doge and Nano Doge, just to name a few. God, there are so many. It turns out that every time Elon Musk tweets about Doge, a new knockoff emerges, and what started as a joke is worth a lot today. Like SHIB is starting to be worth quite a lot, but a word of caution to everyone that it's not safe to think you can tell which of these dozen knockoffs that get created each time will skyrocket, and while the remaining ones all stay down in the dumps. So if you want to buy some tokens for fun, that's just one thing. But if you're investing, then please remember to do your own research and just not buy something because it's trending. The crypto market has seen some major movement from whales and dogs in the last few weeks. Hard to believe that a bunch of whale accounts drove the SHIB rally and pushed its value hugely. Well, that's not all. Bitcoin is expected to rise even further. There is a crypto whale account, one of the biggest one, which recently made a purchase of about $40 million in Bitcoin. After a few months in holding position at $40,000, Bitcoin went nearly vertical for a while, and investors and experts say that more is coming. El Salvador's treasury is now richer by 420 bitcoins as the country's President Nayib Bukele continues to advise people to buy the dip or buy Bitcoin while the prices are temporarily down. But the oldest whale account sits dormant after all these years. We're talking about the account of Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonym of the creator of Bitcoin. Nakamoto's real identity is not public, but the Bitcoin addresses linked to the creator is known. Nakamoto mined a total of 1,125,150 tokens, and after having created Bitcoin back in 2009, they haven't been spent at all. Today, the Satoshi Bitcoin is worth over $60 billion, though whether or not the original creator will ever come forward and claim them is still unknown. मार्केट वॉच में हम क्रिप्टो मार्केट के बारे में बात करेंगे एंड बात करेंगे कि डॉग थीम्ड कॉइन्स कितने कन्वर्टेबल हैं। इसका मतलब यह है कि आपको अपने क्रिप्टो पर अच्छे रिटर्न्स तो मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन आप उसे खर्च नहीं कर सकते। That's one of the reasons why Dogecoin is actually pretty cool. Mark Cuban said that Dogecoin is fun, not a serious investment. But that is also why people are willing to actually spend their Doge at events to buy tickets and in other spaces as well. Elon Musk hit the nail on the head when he called Doge the people's cryptocurrency. In October, Musk tweeted, "Lots of people I talked to on the production lines at Tesla or building rockets at SpaceX own Doge. They aren't financial experts or Silicon Valley technologists. That's why I decided to support Doge. It felt like the people's crypto." The increased adoption and acceptability of cryptocurrency is not going to be led by highly valuable and volatile assets like Bitcoin, but rather by the ones that people are actually willing to be part with. And if you're someone that is looking at the long-term future of money, then this is where you actually would want to keep an eye on. Time to look at how the crypto market is doing and how it affects you as an investor. If we look at our crypto tracker for the week, we can see that Bitcoin has dropped by 1.04%, while Ethereum has risen by 0.35%. Cardano has suffered a drop of 3.70%, while Tether is performing well with a 1.50% rise. Both Doge and Shiba Inu have dropped by 1.52 and 2.35% respectively. Don't look at short-term gains here, as most of it will look chaotic. If you look at the overall picture though, it looks much more better in the long run. Will crypto be regulated in India or not? Only time will tell, but till then, you need to keep watching the show to keep yourself updated. That's it for Crypto Unfiltered this week. If you have any questions around cryptocurrency or any jargon that you don't understand, do send them to us and we'll have an expert answer them. This is Cyrus signing off with a promise that I will be back with more crypto gyan next week. See you soon.